Hi there again, Josie here from Life at 50 and Beyond. Thanks for joining me here on my channel. Today I have quite a different DIY here for you. It's sort of crafting related, but it's also YouTube related. I'm going to try a new setup, and I'm going to be doing this as I film it with you guys. So I am going to be using this $1 selfie stick from the Dollar Tree. I'll also be using this $2 Tree notebooks, and you could probably use something else rather than buy, $1 each of this. I just have this on hand, so I was just testing what fits onto this one. And this comes in a pair. This is an over-the-door hook, and unfortunately, because it's too thick, if I put it on my door, I can't close the door. And I said, okay, I opened it up, and there are two of them, and I don't want to put it to waste. So what I thought about is that I need a camera that is really perpendicular. So I'm keeping this one here right now. This is my iPhone camera, but I want something that's in front of me and that's more straight, and who knows, maybe I will have a double angle next time when I film a DIY, or I can also maybe use it as my primary camera setups. As you can see, what I've done already here on these two notebook, these are, I call them like my traveler's notebook, but these are the notebook with 96 sheets, and I got this at close to where the cashier's section is, and they come in brown and black, and also I think they also have some with designs like pink and purple. But yeah, this is just snug to get two of them there. See, it won't tilt, it won't buckle. Because why I need this, and I'm gonna be setting this up as I lay it down like this, is that so that something can hold this straight, okay, and high enough. I am going to be using duct tape or packaging tape, and they sell a lot of duct tapes or packaging tapes at the Dollar Tree. But let me just use what I have here on hand, and I use this on my other setup as well. This thing here may hamper also the camera. It may be dangling, so you just need to kind of tie it up like that, okay? But you can maneuver it any way you want. You're going to position this selfie stick where it's facing this way, okay? Facing that way, meaning where you're going to be putting your camera. I don't know what you call this, maybe a dock. And the good thing about that dock too, I mean, you could probably twist it, but at the same time, I don't think you can twist this one 360 degrees. So make sure that the clicker and the dock is facing this way, okay? So I'm just doing this, I'm trying this as I go, okay? So let's see how it works. Let's do this. So I'm just gonna show you here. Maybe I'll remove this so it's easier for me to show it to you on camera what I'm doing. So this portion here of this hook, if you could see it, and then this portion here is fronting to get, they're facing each other, okay? And then that's where you are going to be lining them up leveled. Okay. Make sure it's tight. So have one here, have another one, and wow, selfie stick for $1. I mean, really. Then now I'm going to insert. Okay, look at this. See, it won't wobble. Let me just move this camera up here. Yeah, so that's how it should look like. See that? Now let me transfer this camera onto this pod or dock here and see how it looks like. See if it's gonna topple. Okay, now I think it's gonna be too front heavy, so it's not gonna work. Okay, so it's kind of buckling, falling forward. See this experiment. Okay, good. And I'll show you what I did. And of course it may not work if you don't have a board in front of you. So let me just stretch it up higher. Okay. Oh my, I like it already. Okay, let me just make sure that it's tight, that it's not moving. I just have to be really conscious about how it is. Okay. Oh my, it is more perpendicular. So let me just record this. See that? And it's directly under it. The editing software, because it's upside down right now, you see, if I edit this, I will just switch it around. So this is my work area, but you don't really need, if you're looking for a notebook, you don't really need, or anything, maybe folded cardboard, you don't have to have a notebook. Okay, I'm just using this because this is the one that kind of fits. So because I have a board here, because I like working against white background, and my counter, if you've seen my craft room tour, it's like a faux marble, and I like it white, right? So I have this foam board that I use, okay? And what I did on this edge here, on the side here, because it was wobbly on its own, and it's gonna fold forward or downward like that, so I have removed one and just inserted the end of this board along with this so it won't move. And look at this. This is how it looks like right now. See, and then I will film myself. See that? And it's directly under it. And again, the editing software, because it's upside down right now, you see the timer, it's upside down, the clock. If I edit this, I will just switch it around. So with this one, from this one here, which I used this one that I got, $22 or $24 gadget that I got from Amazon, and which is the one that's holding it. What I've been doing on this old style of selfie stick from the Dollar Tree, I sometimes kind of change or maneuver the angle. This one, this setup, was actually in front of me, so I'm kind of hugging it. You know, you can see what I'm doing, but you cannot really go closer. So I hope that I am able to at least give you some tip here. And if you are a YouTuber and you're doing a lot of crafts or plan with me videos, that perhaps this is some kind of setup that will work for you too. And it only cost me cost of the selfie stick and then the door hook. If you have one already, then it's only just $1 that you're spending on. And then I spent $1 on this one. Again, you can use anything, a notebook, a spare notebook that you have, or folded thick cardboard. I mean, I have an illustration board here, so probably $3 roughly total, and you have your own overhead setup. And actually you can use any other camera here, because this one you can remove this and you can attach your camera. You can also add weight to this if you want to, something heavy like a jar, if you have a camera that's heavier. But if you're using your iPhone or any mobile device or phone camera, then I think you're going to be set with this. Okay, so this is Josie from Live at 50 and Beyond. Thanks for joining me here in my channel. Please click subscribe, like, and comment down below. Talk to you later. Bye-bye.